The premium sub-brand of Chery, Jaecco, is poised to enter Malaysia. The company makes tougher SUVs than Chery's urban offering. Marketing the brand as a separate business will allow local vehicle assembly. Exterior: Jaecco J8, a huge SUV, measures 4,815 mm long, 1,924 mm wide, and 1,710 mm tall. It competes with the Kia Sorento and Mazda CX-8 in size. It can be a 5 or 7-seater, but Malaysia previewed the 5-seater. The J8 looks manly and luxurious. A huge chrome-plated waterfall-style grille indicates excellence in the front. The strong shoulder lines and warm natural light enhance the attractiveness. These 20-inch alloy wheels enhance the SUV's sophisticated look. Interior: the entire Jaecco J8 cabin oozes elegance and comfort. It has Nappa leather seats, a matte black deer leather roof for sound absorption and aesthetics, and Tom-made imitation wood for texture. Speaking of modern technology, the SUV would have a 24.6-inch ultra-smart curved central touchscreen, 255-color waterfall-style rhythmic ambient lighting, and 14 Sony speakers. The SUV has a supersensory air conditioning system named 540 Stereo, with temperature and fan settings for each row. Combined with C-Pure cubic cabin technology, it provides cleaner, healthier automobile air. Engine: global spec: the 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 petrol engine in the Jaecco J8 produces 249 PS and 385 Nm. The wheels receive power from a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission with front or all-wheel drive. With the local spec version, Jaecco should offer the same mechanical arrangement. Safety: the Jaecco J8 meets global 5-star safety requirements. SUVs have caged energy-absorbing bodies made of 85% high-strength steel. A robust 10-airbag system includes a far-end safety airbag between the driver and passenger seats for added protection.